Welcome to Tech and Tool Wednesday, where we discover the greatest and the best prices on the internet. Cabochon units can cost you thousands of dollars to buy for a complete unit. If you're a do-it-yourselfer, here's a great opportunity. Shopfax W1681 buffing assembly is a great way to do it. You can get some expandable drums. This is on sale or a price of $114.99. Used is $82.85, and this is from Amazon. I bought one of these myself and will be putting together one of my buffing units for polishing rock here. And I'll show you how to do that in another video. This week, Kingsley North is featuring a Barranca GP6 diamond wheel cab maker. This is a one-piece cast aluminum tank and base. Has sealed bearing mounts on the shaft. The end polishing discs are ideal for polish and buffing. Features a 1/3 horsepower thermal protected 1725 RPM motor. Has 60, 80, 170, 200 grit 6-inch 1.5 brazen metal bonded diamond wheels. It has 400, 600, 1200, and 3000 grit 6-inch by 1.5 mesh resin bonded diamond belts. Okay, a 8,000, 14,000, 50,000 grit diamond paste syringes for your polishing. So this is a pretty good price. New price is $15.95. It originally was $18.38. Okay, so you have a savings there of a couple $100. Also on Amazon, it is a CabKing 6-inch cab making machine for lapidary grinding and polishing. And this has 6 wheels on it, diamond based. And also, let's see, what we have is a powerful 1/4 horsepower, 1800 RPMs, 110 volt. I looked to see what the different grits were on the pads, and it did not show. You can also buy this as a deal down here. You can see for $2,198, and it also gives you a cutting tool so that you can go ahead and cut your cabochons. If you just want the unit itself, there we go. I'll show that big size for you, and that you're looking at $1,399 with free shipping. Here's a great buy on Amazon. Okay, we have diamond polishing pads, 4-inch wet or dry. It's an 8-piece set, and it starts with grits of 50, 100, 200, 400, 800, 15, and 3,000. Okay, it also comes with a hook and loop back pad so that you'll be able to put it on your wet dry polisher. And this price is $29.99 with free shipping. Great deal right there. Also from Amazon, here is a Stadea SWP 101K stone wet polisher, veritable speed grinder polisher for concrete, stone, polishing rocks, and this is a 5-inch stone polisher. Okay, so you're getting a little bit bigger than what I use, and it's a price of $199.99 with free shipping. Okay, so this is a great buy for this item. Here we have a used expandable drum unit. This is from Cummington, 8-inch. It has 4 8x3 expandable drums featuring heavy-duty ball bearings, neoprene sealed and greased for life. Cast aluminum pans and hoods with water valves and drains. Speed control valve allowing gradual speed changes from 800 to 1725 RPMs. A 1/3 power horsepower. This is 110 volt. This is a good opportunity. Someone wanting to get in on the ground level at an inexpensive price. And I've used the expandable drums for polishing, and they do a great job. All right, and this is from Kingsley North. I'll leave a link in the bottom description for you.